Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be learning about how you can add footnotes in your Google Docs. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into our video. So first of all you need to do is open a web browser of your preference and type in doc.google.com. Once you type it in, you can be redirected to this page where you need to press on the blank option. So now you can type in whatever you want to type in your Google Docs, and after you are done, all you need to do is click on the insert option. So once you click on insert, you can get the footnote option where you need to simply press on. So now as your footnote appears, you can write what note you want to insert in your text. So here I have written down resource. You can add resources or any other extra information in your footnotes. So this is how you add footnotes in Google Docs. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.